Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best nail buffers that are available on the market for their true quality. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the TsMADDTs Professional Manicure Tools Kit. TsMADDTs Professional Manicure Tools Kit is a great choice for DIYers and professionals alike. This set includes 6 pieces of nail files and 6 pieces of buffer sanding blocks, with 100 and 180 grits respectively. It is suitable for fingernails, toenails, natural nails, acrylic nails, and false nails. Customers have praised the quality of the product, noting that the files and buffers are of great quality, and the buffing blocks are especially great. However, some customers have noted that the files may be too rough and edgy, so caution should be used when using them. Moving on, at number 4, we have the HomeyEra 4-Way Nail Buffer Block Set. The HomeyEra nail buffer is designed to help you achieve salon-quality nails at home with ease. It features 4 sides, each serving a unique purpose: shaping your nails, smoothing rough edges, buffing for a natural shine, and polishing to a glossy finish. Crafted from premium EVA foam, this buffer gently enhances your nails without damage, making it perfect for both natural and acrylic nails. Its durable and flexible design means you can take it with you on the go, keeping your nails looking great wherever you are. This tool saves you time and money while giving your nails a professional-looking shine. At number 3, we have the AhaTopia Nail Buffers. Get salon-quality nails at home with AhaTopia nail buffers. Made with high-quality sandpaper and EVA sponge materials, these mini buffer block nail files provide a long-lasting and efficient nail buffing experience. Whether you have acrylic nails or natural nails, these buffers are suitable for all nail types. The double-sided 100-180 grit allows you to file down uneven surfaces and polish the nail to a smooth finish. With a compact size, these portable nail buffers are perfect for on-the-go touch-ups or full manicure sessions. Plus, with a bulk pack of 50, they are a cost-effective choice for salons or anyone who wants to stock up. Try AhaTopia nail buffers risk-free today. At number 2, we have the Maryton 100-180 Nail Buffer Block. The Maryton nail buffer is an essential tool for achieving perfect nails at home. Its optimal design makes it ideal for both manicures and pedicures, suitable for various artificial surfaces like acrylics and gels. With its premium salon quality, this buffer offers durability and strength, ensuring it lasts longer than typical buffers. The medium-fine grit combination allows you to comfortably shape and shorten nails while also prepping natural nails for polish application. This makes your nail care routine easier and more efficient, giving you salon-quality results right in your own home. And finally, at number 1, we have the AhaTopia Nail File and Buffer Set. The AhaTopia Nail File Set includes 10 essential tools for your nail care routine. With double-sided files, featuring 100 and 180 grit, you can easily shape and polish your nails to perfection. The premium emery board material effectively removes nail gel and helps you achieve your desired nail length and shape. The resilient buffer blocks are durable, washable, and designed for consistent use, ensuring a smooth finish on both acrylic and natural nails. Their ergonomic shape and perfect size make them convenient for travel, allowing you to maintain your nails wherever you go. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.